Hi everyone, and welcome back to another brilliant video. Beautiful autumn evening here in Benidorm. Not too hot, not too cold. And we are just coming up on the Heartbreak Bar. Of course, they do have a live show on in there at the moment. Not entirely too sure who, but I'll have to keep walking because copyright. That is where you would go if you wanted to party. But then you do have bars such as the White Lion, Penelope Beach Club, and the KM Lounge. They are just your sort of bars where you can just have a nice quiet drink. Hope you guys are all okay. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel as well, guys. Just coming up by town now. Not far left to go. Got Urban Beach up there. That used to be a nightclub. Then of course Moon Beach is open tonight as well. Brilliant nighttime venue that, but they are looking a bit quiet. I think people will be in there later though. They are of course looking the opposite to the KM Player Lounge, which is heaving. The KM Player Lounge is heaving. They do seem to have a DJ on by looks of it. Not sure if it's a DJ or what, but they are heaving. People's partying. Guinness bar next door. Then we are just approaching town now. Got Tiki Town here, as well as Tiki Pizza, and of course the Good Burger. Tiki Town's got a DJ on, but it's not so much of a party. You can just chill and have a drink, whereas KU Play Lounge, it is quite busy, it is quite loud. The next door is Burger King. If you do feel a bit peckish, that has recently been refurbished as well, guys. Good to see that reopen now. I think it will be another busy night tonight in town, and well, basically everywhere in Benidorm. Just trying to avoid people because it is quite busy, and sometimes the Spanish will tend to just stop dead right in front of you and talk for hours and hours and hours. Got surfing ice cream shop there, as well as the city. Just there. It's a glorious night then, as we do, and near the night-leveante beach. You do see a bit of quietness, whereas in town it will probably be pretty busy. Guys, don't forget as well, if you do like what I am doing, feel free to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It all does help me, guys, and I do appreciate everything. I appreciate everyone hitting the like on the videos. I appreciate people making comments on my videos, apart from the ones making bad comments, that is. I do appreciate as well people approaching me while I am out and about and just coming and saying hi. It does really make my day. Anyway, guys, I think I will be ending this video very soon. So make sure to smash that like button and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.